today we will make the sour picantero, original cocktail from the house, a little different version of the classic Pisco sour with two more ingredients: the passion fruit juice, natural obviously, and Sinsonte. It's a special Peruvian chili liquors, 7 kinds of chili peppers, Peruvian chili peppers in the special liquor, aromatic and a little bit spicy. Okay. First, 2 ounces of the Peruvian Pisco. The grape quebranta. Okay. 2 ounces inside.
Okay.
Yes. Later, lemon juice, natural lemon juice, 2 ounces again.
Which for us is lime juice, right? Limon.
Simple syrup, 1 ounce. 1 ounce. The passion fruit juice, 1 ounce. 2. Important Sinsonte, 1 ounce, just a little bit. Would you like smell?
Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
1 ounce. And like a perfect for the sparkling texture, egg white. Okay, 1 ounce.
Okay. Alright, here we go.
Double filter and 2 times. First the first time. Okay, and your shake and complete the glass.
That looks amazing.
Perfect. And a little dry lemon to decorate our cocktail. Angustura bitter, like a classic Pisco sour. 1, 2, and 3. And here you go. And cheers. Sour picantero.
That's right.